Alright, so once again I'm going to be making a tutorial, but this time it will be 100% different. This tutorial is going to be about how to make a computer. And shout out to whoever wanted me to make this video. That's not noob, because Among Us. Anyways, let's just get into it. So first of all, if you're gonna want to build a computer, you're going to have to be a big brain person, like me. See, this has to be your brain right there. But now, once you have acquired big brainness, you're going to have to, step 1, find the materials to build a computer. So let's say like a graphic card, a monitor, the PC holder, all that crap. And basically what you have to do is you have to take all the stuff. You have to take it all and then just mash it together. And once you've taken it all together, what you can do... Hold on a second. I am totally not looking up a computer. Okay, anyways. Now what you do after you do that is you have to attach the monitor on like a thing so the computer will actually work. So you should have a desk with your computer under it. And then you should have your monitor. But for now, your monitor is like broken because you're poor. And you're poor. So now you're sad. But there's a way to fix that. If you have a bad monitor, simply just say Among Us, and then your monitor's crack will instantly disappear. This might cause some health effects, so I do not recommend saying Among Us and just instead buying a new monitor. But once your monitor is happy, you can now buy a stand for your monitor. And then what you do is you take your computer, you move it up, you take the stand, and you put the stand right there. And after a little bit of working on your computer should look like this. This should be what your computer looks like. Now, if this is not your computer, then I'm sorry, but you're just not smart enough. If instead you build a normal computer like this crappy PC, it will become sad. And then you will never be able to beat Noob in Left 4 Dead 2. So then, what you do is you go to NASA. And you go to NASA, you fly all the way to NASA, okay? Now, because you're lazy, you just fly to NASA using your Among Us powers. You steal one of their computers. And then you steal their computer, and then you run away. And then you should be able to have a working computer that you totally built by yourself. So that was the tutorial on how to build a computer. I hope this really helped you. And also one more thing. Noob's girlfriend's name is